Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reliably duplicate Jarrin Root, enabling you to craft endless powerful poisons. Jarrin Root is a unique and extremely rare ingredient, typically found only once during a specific questline. Its potency makes it highly sought after by master alchemists. We'll explore the singular method to add as many as you need directly to your inventory, ensuring you never run out. First, open the game's console by pressing the tilde key, usually located just beneath the escape key on your keyboard. This will pause your game and bring up a command line at the bottom of your screen. It is always a good practice to ensure you are in a safe, undisturbed location before you input any commands. Make sure you don't accidentally close the console before you are finished. Now you will input the specific command to add the root. The Jarrin Root's item identification number is 000455051. Type player, add item followed by a space, then the identification number, then another space, and finally the quantity you desire. For example, to add 50 roots, you would type player, add item 000450550. Press enter to execute the command. After entering the command, the desired quantity of Jarrin Root will appear directly in your character's inventory. Always remember to save your game asterisk before asterisk using any console commands, just in case something unexpected occurs. This specific duplication method works exclusively on the PC version of Skyrim and is not available on console editions. Enjoy your limitless supply of this powerful ingredient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.